In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to your Ecwid store. Having a clear privacy policy is essential for any online store, and it helps build trust with your customers by outlining how their personal data is used and protected. Let's dive right in and guide you through the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Ecwid control panel. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Legal in your store's dashboard. The Legal section is your go-to place for managing various legal documents that your store might require, including the privacy policy. Next, you'll see a section labeled Terms and Conditions. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it is where you'll make the necessary adjustments and additions to your site's legal information. Here, you'll often find existing documents or space to add new ones. Once you're in the Terms and Conditions area, you should look for the button that says Add Page. This is the functionality Ecwid provides to help you create new pages for your store's legal documents, including the privacy policy. Go ahead and click on Add Page, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new document. It's helpful to use something straightforward like Privacy Policy to avoid any confusion. At this stage, you have a blank slate for your privacy policy. If you already have a privacy policy drafted, simply copy and paste it into this section. Otherwise, you might need to draft one. Remember, a good privacy policy includes information on the type of data you collect, how it's used, who it's shared with, and how customers can contact you for more information or to request data deletion. Make sure it's clear and easy to understand for your customers. Once you've added the content for your privacy policy, take a moment to review it for any errors. It's always good to double check for spelling, grammar, and factual accuracy. After reviewing, click Save to ensure your privacy policy is securely added to your store. After saving, it's a great idea to visit your storefront and navigate to the legal section to ensure the new privacy policy is visible and properly formatted. This not only confirms that your efforts have been successful, but it also lets you see exactly how your customers will view it. And that sums up how to add a privacy policy to your Ecwid store. Having a comprehensive privacy policy is not just about compliance, it's a vital part of creating a transparent and trustworthy environment for anyone visiting your store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.